So hello again my friends. You see, I got my friend here, Ketron Midj Pro. You see, this is a Rotary Encoder. You can even hear the sound. Problem is with this guy here, it's not responding to the commands. Let's say I'm turning clockwise just one step. We should go down one line. Sometimes instead of going down, it's going up. One step it's gone, and now I'm going. The point is that this new one have a push button, which obviously this one doesn't. But I got an idea. You see, I can make a parallel to this enter button here, which is very important. It's the single one here, and I can simply choose the song and then just press the button like that and it starts playing. So there's the idea of the thing. Let's do the mumbo jumbo. Let me open up the machine. As you can see, it's very simple to open this machine. This is just a cover. Then we got 3 screws here. Okay, and this panel is out. Obviously we can take out all these connectors like that. Be careful with the display connector because this is kind of sensible. And there we are with the command panel. The panel is out and it's free. These are kind of fragile. Oh, come on. That's the encoder approach here. You see, this is the enter, and I'm gonna have 2 pieces of wire. You see, this is the enter. Obviously I can solder 2 pieces of wire behind the things. Look here, I did a kind of profiling for having the plastic cap on top of this. Oh man, look, this one it's already out of no doubt why this wasn't exactly. Oh man, it's really used. So this one has been worn. Okay, now I got a certainty about why it was acting like that. You know what's funny? I have 3 contacts here. 1, 2, 3 the other side. Maybe they are already related to the enter. Okay, so this is the enter button. Very nice. What about these guys? Nothing here, nothing. No relation. Okay, so maybe that is just for mechanical purposes or something. Now, let's see if this one can go in. Okay, I need a little bit more work on it. Be a nice boy. Oh man, this is kind of higher. Ooh, not good. No chance. No, it's no good. I don't think it's fine. The support itself is higher than the original, so that will be a problem. Yeah, so it's looking like my project doesn't really work. Well, I have a donor board, so this professional mixer, you can hear the sound of this guy. It's really stiff. Easily take out these guys. Where are they? Okay, is this one here? We normally have some fresh solder This is out already. What do you think about this? No effort. The head, it's kind of shorter. Not kind of shorter, but really shorter. Let me see if I take it out and... Oh, this is a Japan. This is really good. This is ARF. Japan made. I can even hear the sound much better. Well, mechanical legs down here are way bigger than it should, so it doesn't get into the hole, but that doesn't really bother me because I can simply solder it in that position. My initial plan having an extra enter switch, it's gone. Be enough. Now I have to... Oh, this is beautiful. Look there. It's done already. You see this? It's not solid. It's super solid. Okay. Number one, it's done. It's kind of tilted. What we can do about that? Beautiful. Let's see if it's enough room to have wheel back in place. Position somehow, have the wheel. Oh, yes, beautiful. Is it solid? It's not solid, it's super solid. I'm so sad because I couldn't do that extra switch I was thinking about, but that's fine. The most important thing is the encoder, to be precise, you know, to be absolutely accurate about place where it's landing, because I'm using this for gigs, you know, and it's kind of crazy to have that instable behave. Oh, I forgot something, and this is really important. I have to plant this guy back. This is a light pipe for the MIDI activity, and that should go up on the front desk. The light pipe, it's in place, so there will be no more problems. Oh, that's enough. What is the main? What the heck? I'm missing screw. Can't believe it. Like this. Okay, now it's time to plug in the things. Okay, this one is right here. It's in place. Next one. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Let's have this on. This is number one. Bluish. And brownish. Okay, and the rest. And more fragile, of course, it's the display connector. Oh. Okay. Okay, now we can give a try. Everything is back in place. Power on. The display, it's on. 35 seconds of booting. Blue, and it's done. Pam pam. Okay. Worse than before. Oh man, that sucks. What's wrong here? What's happening? Man, I'm disappointed. No, not good. No, I'm disappointed. It's not working as it should. So, no way. Okay, back to work. You know something, maybe I can take this out directly from here so I don't have to take the whole board out. Oh yes, of course I can. I'm so disappointed. Yeah, this is really interesting. You see, this Japanese guy, he's always on. I got the idea. So this is always on. It's disconnecting the circuit when it's moving. Look. The original one, it's always off. That's the original. You see? But this one, it's kind of... let me open and try to clean it, and of course I'll have it back. So this is the Enigma solved. What about this guy? Oh, this one it's off. This should do the job. But like I said before, this is too, obviously it's too high. That's the original, and this is much easier to open. I'll do that and clean it and put it back until further experiments. Oh, this is really something else. Okay, it's clean. Okay, does it have a... No, there is no electric, nothing here. So this is not about electric. It's full of oil. This is nice. Maybe I can make this harder. Okay, like that. Yes. I can feel the grip. What about this guy here? Of course, look here. You see, here we have a kind of tension bar. You see that? So that one makes it make the things running so nice. Okay, let me clean this guy and go back in duty. Pretty dirty. To be sure about the things, we can modify a little bit these contacts so they have a slightly other path. Yeah, it's much better. There we go. Yes. I can even hear the sound now. It was no sound before. Nothing to do but to put it back. And these guys are out of here. My happiness was unfortunately, because it's looking like the Japanese guy, it was on all the time, and that's not what I want for this. I didn't know that. So like I said, this is the original, refurbished, cleaned, and hopefully working again. Okay, yeah, I got the pin on the other side, so it's no problem. Yes, done. Okay, we'll clean it later. Let me see if it's working. Power on, 35 seconds. Double glass. To blue, yes, and it's on. Perfect. Can you hear that? It's exactly what I was looking for. Perfect. You see, step by step. It's exactly what I was looking for. Yes, it's working. Of course, nothing left to do but to put the cover, this is fine. Oh yes, very clear, up, 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 up. So there are two kinds of encoders. The ones normally on, and when you switch it's turning off and on, off, on, off, on, but first step it's on. And this guy, its first step, normally this is off. Okay? Yeah, I think that's it for today. It was a long evening, but luckily I fixed the original. It's even better and it's working like it has to. It's nice and precise, look there. So I can trust the commands. With the other guy, it was jumping, even reversing the movement, in fact, of course. Okay, see you soon with some others. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, share if you like, of course. Don't hesitate to send me comments, send me questions, I'll do my best to answer. Thanks to my sponsors, Radu G from Belgium, Vlad Kaya from Ampia Records, and Czech from States. So until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you, bye bye.